Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our mechanic class. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. So today, we will share with you about Newton's third law and how Newton's third law applies to rocket launching. So please stay with us until the end of our video, okay?
To start our video, let us explain to you guys about Newton's third law. Let's go! For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In other words, if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B simultaneously exerts a force of equal magnitude in the opposite direction on object A. This law emphasizes the concept that forces always occur in pairs. When one object exerts a force on another, the second object exerts an equal force in the opposite direction. These action-reaction pairs are fundamental in understanding interaction between objects and are crucial for various phenomena, including rocket propulsion.
6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition. And liftoff of the first United Launch Alliance Vulcan rocket, launching a new era in spaceflight to the moon and beyond.
Here's how Newton's third law applies to rocket launching. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This law is fundamental in understanding the principles behind rocket launching. In the context of rocketry, the action refers to the expulsion of gases from the rocket engine, and the reaction is the resulting motion of the rocket in the opposite direction. Firstly, action and reaction. According to Newton's third law, the action is the expulsion of these hot gases, and the reaction is the forward movement of the rocket. The force exerted by the expelled gases in one direction results in an equal and opposite force propelling the rocket in the opposite direction. The second one is combustion in the rocket engine. Rockets work on the principle of thrust generated by the expulsion of high-speed gases. This thrust is achieved through the combustion of fuel and oxidizer in the rocket engine. As the rocket fuel burns, it produces hot gases that are expelled through the rocket nozzles at the rear of the rocket.
The third one is thrust and lift-off. The force generated by the expelled gases is known as thrust. This thrust overcomes the force of gravity and any atmospheric resistance, allowing the rocket to lift off the ground and ascend into the space. The rate at which gases are expelled and the speed at which they are rejected contribute to the magnitude of the thrust. The last one is continuous process. Rocket propulsion is a continuous process. As long as fuel is burned and expelled, the rocket experiences a continuous reaction force, enabling it to accelerate and reach higher velocities. Understanding and applying Newton's third law is crucial in designing and optimizing rocket engines for efficient and successful space mission. Engineers and scientists use this principle to calculate and control the thrust required for a specific mission, taking into account factors such as payload, fuel efficiency, and escape velocity.
So, that's all from us. Thank you!